Hello everyone, my name is Rival Syuputra Arianto, NIM 2021-11094. On this video, I will take the final semester exam in Business English Course 2. The local genius as millennial tourist attraction in Gambri, Pakutan, Jambrana, West Bali. Abstract. Local genius indicators the determinants of tourist attraction from the point of view of local genius in Gambri village need to be considered and well development. The destination has the tourism attractiveness from the point of view the tourist village of Gambri needs attention to be managed properly. In determining tourist interest, tourist object productivity has a facilities and infrastructure and managers to support tourist activities in Gambri Village. Gambri Village is needed to be seriously and better development and improvement. Marketing has the product profile process and physical evidence need to be serious and requires more attention to be managed better in order to meet the target market segment. Millennial interest has the village of Gambri as the choice of millennials to be able to travel. It's very dominant to be maintained because it's supported to be by beautiful nature and equipment with a TV attraction. To be able to go around to village area and garden in the village, and besides the Bali reptile rescue attraction, a youth-style restaurant and panoramic view of rice fields furthers an echo of the wife the can heart from the attraction. Introduction. Tourism volcano in Indonesian, the 1018 and 1019 are commonly refers to as millennial tourists. Tourism actors millennials have improvement role around 31% of Bali's millennial tourists in Indonesia tend to take vacations suddenly. This figure is much higher when compared to Asia and world, which in only 19%. Millennial tourism from Bali, Indonesia are also often influenced by the experience of others. The improvement of natural protection based of local genius to attract millennial tourism such as in Gambri Village, Pakutan, Jambrana, Bali has not been maximally developed. As cause in the improvement, there is lack of understanding for tourism actors, especially local communities, village community leaders, activities of village community, activities of tourism awareness groups that have not intelligent in the existing potential wills ideal. As a central heritage has not been fully understood and development. 3, 4. The function of tourism after is very important to build and develop local wisdom as millennial tourism attraction for traveling. The resource in the area show a figure take advantage of the area culture, unique, authentic, community friendly, and natural beauty. The area in Gambri Village have great potential to be development marine and empowering local wisdom for millennial tourism attraction. This tangible manifestation and coordination needs to be interest from tourist actor to millennials in Indonesia. Tourism actor in Bali utilize the three Hita Karana theory concept of effective tool such harmonizing human relation with God in place of worship and religious discussion and visit to shame. harmonic relation between humans and others through discussion of meeting of millennials in their area, and the harmonization of human relation with the natural surroundings by planning trash to clean up garbage or plastic. The blessing have an honest attitude are fully tolerant and friendly and care about their environment. Formulation of the problem. Based of the background of research and interest in contribution and research of the product local genius improvement model as millennial tourism attraction to increase village and economy development. The problem that will examine in this research include: one, what we are determinants of local genius which has millennial tourism attraction in Gambri village. Two, how the local genius improvement millennial tourism attraction to improve village economy development. 1.3 research purpose. In general, this research aims to produce a local genius improvement model as a millennial tourism attraction in order to improve the economic development of Gamri village. Specifically is aimed to determine the determinants of local genius which have millennial tourist attraction in Gamri village to find out the reason for tourist actors not taking offense of local genius in their religions as military tourism attraction in order to realize tourism destination in their respective regions and formulating a local genius improvement model as millennial tourism attraction by tourism actor improve the economic development of the village of Gambri. 1.4 Contribution of research. Improvement of local genius as a millennial tourism attraction by tourism actors and the development of this tourism is very closely related to potential that exists in their respective area assets that need to be developed to increase economic development. 3.4 This research is very important. In Gambir village, Pakutan district, Jabana, Bali, when his location very chosen to present set the area in Jambrana, Bali. This research will produce a local genius development model, a millennial tourism attraction to increase economic development and produce textbooks on tourism, improvement of local genius as millennial tourism attraction. 2. Literature review. 2.1 Improvement local genius and tourism actors. Community improvement in actually for change people before partners to increase their ability and independence to follow aspect, namely social potential, capacity building, and increase accessibility, and utilization of local potential. Local genius is a new breakthrough in exploring and development tourism extraction in Indonesia. Especially Bali sucks as Sri Hita karena Bali's philosophy regarding how life is harmony between humus and nature, and humus and creators. Mean how to live in harmony and balance in Islam. Habal minallah habul minannas. Law number 10 of 2009 concerning tourism. In this law, I'm explained to tourism and travel activity carried out by person or group of people by visiting certain place of the purpose of present. Personal development of listening to uniqueness of tourism attraction visit out to temporary period and in further and tourism can tourist active and supported by various facilities and service provided by community, businessmen, government, and local governments. So, tourism is world activity related to tourism and multidimensional and multidisciplinary. which appears a manifestation of the needs of every person and good country as well as interaction between tourism and local communities. Fellow tourism, the government, local government, and entrepreneurs. 2.3 Characters of habit of society. Indonesian society consists of various tribes and skirted folk and archipelago. Each tribe has own character and character. Indonesia is country that has everything of cultures and ethnies, which of unity of the Republic of Indonesia with the motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. With this different, the Indonesian nation is rich culture and ethnicity from various existing tribes and race. According to Big Indonesian Dictionary, characters have the following meaning: psychiatric, moral and ethnic qualities that distinguish a person from others. Characters can also mean traits according to Ditjen Management Ministry of National Education. The character is way thinking and behaving that characters is individual to life, work together, bond with the spare of family. Community, nation, and state, individual with good character and individuals who can make decisions and ready to take responsibility for any question of the decisions they make. 2.4 Tourism destination and tourist motivation. Tourism object and attraction are from tourism the must be supported by four main components now. Name 1. Attraction and object to all tourism attraction is one by allocation. 3 attraction that attract tourists, namely natural potential, cultural tourism, and artificial tourism. 2. Amenities are facilities that support tourism active in tourist destinations, so accommodation or lodging business, restaurant or food and beverage business, as well as public facilities such as toilet, gift shops, and others. 3. Accessibility and ease of movement for tourists, starting from the ease of walking to tourism object to ease of finding that attraction. 4. Auxiliary service or service to support tourism active existence of tourism awareness group or private institution to manage tourism development in tourist destination. The exercise of a TIC will provide us information to tourists in form of brochures, book maps, as well as which tourism competent in his field and mastering to tourism attractions where he works. 2.5 Community motivation for tourism. Motivation is based of need and goals motivation as learning driver. The level of involvement determines the level motivation of consumers to seek knowledge or about products or services. According to Jackson 1989, in Pitana, there are 7 factors that attract tourism to visit a tourist attraction as follow: 1. Location, climate. 2. Expeditor of price. 3. Cost to other destination. 4. Special event. 5. Tourism attraction. 6. Culture. 7. Natural environment and man-made environment. 3. Hinata Karana Theory, Motivation and Leadership. The theory concept of Tri Hinata Karana comes from the word tri, which means Tri Hita, which means happiness, and Karana, which means the cause. The Tri Hita Karana means 3 cause of happiness. The concept of Tri Hita Karana cosmology is a talk life Physiology. This philosophy has a concept that can preserve culture and environmental diversity, the myths, the globalization, and harmonization. Basically, Asen Hinata Karana thinks addressing the three relations of human in life in this world. The three relations include relation with fellow humans, relationship with the natural environment, and relationship with God, which are interrelated with one another. Every relationship has lifestyle of respecting other aspect around it. The principle of implementation must be balanced in harmony with one another. 2.7 Tourism and Marketing in the Millennial Age. With tourism, of course, cannot be separated from participation, especially in tourism development. Participation is the start point in development community-based tourism, which the participation of all parties, especially community, the tourism climb will be development when every support them and tourism will feel comfortable staying in tourism attraction. In the millennial era, there have been many changes in the attitude of young people towards tourism because the trend of their needs and desire in quick instances to fulfill their needs. That the millennial generation still does to consider the importance of financial planning for their future. However, it also provides and the millennial generation is more reactive in using money. So, economically, in tourism, millennial will be a free soft market if the tourism product offered are according to their test. We can also find similar things from the result of the online survey conducted by Facebook and crowd DNA of the 1,000 respondents. 13 24 years in 2016. As many as 790% of respondents spoke about the importance of saving, but only 61% has actually planned that future detail. In other words, the current millennial generation is more pragmatic and wants everything that is instantaneous, including using saving the positive impact in the demand created by millennial generation actually support technological progress with the growing variety of applications that allow millennials to shop easily. The quality online shopping application both in the form of the marketplace of Tokopedia. Research of method. Based of the background of the problem, literature review and research method of flow chart of the research can be seen in figure 2. Discussion result. This research was concluded in Gamri Village, Pakutan District, Jabrana, Regency for 6 months, and college research data and location was chosen to present tourism actors, as well as local wisdom and millennials in the region. This area is example of millennial tourism based of local wisdom. The result of this study using a qualitative method with a tourism study approach and studied with the three Hitakarana theory, motivation theory, and leadership theory. Data were collected and analyzed by means of participant of observation, interview, and result of the research in CAT be presented there. Local genius and mineral tourism attraction Gamri Village. Local genius score 3.1, which ingredients that it determines of tourism attraction. For the point of view of local genius, Gamri Village need to consider it and development properly, and evidence by the result of questionnaire and interview with Prof. Darwis Traditional village has village heads, community group in the village that local wisdom is noble as a central heritage that needs to be preserved and basis for building the village. 4.3, the model of millennial tourism attraction of private village economies development. This from the result of the above explained after being formulated in the form of the table graphs of 100 tourist respondents who visited Gambri Village tourism object, it can be seen the table graph for 4.1, which describe the every real actually thing where millennials are interested in visiting village tourism object. Cambria is very dominant with a French score of 3.8 and the needs to get risk and more focus attention in the productivity of tourism and marketing object. We score a French of 2.9 were from the management Pokmas community traditional village and had Gambri village much pay more attention to being built and improved. And equally contribution to that Gambri village tourism object can run sustainable in meeting the needs of tourism, the community, and both local and central governments. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. Millennial introduction is well taken care considering that are so many resources in Indonesia, especially regarding local wisdom and the access the arts region in general. This research aims to produce local genius concept model as millennial tourism attraction. In order to improve village economic development, this research was concluded in Gambri Village, Pakutan Subdistrict, Jabrana District, because this area is very unique and has a beautiful panorama, is natural resource support, and has the potential to development. Will the focus of this research is to find out one factor that support millennial tourism actors based on local genius in Gambri Village, two tourism actors who do not use existing resource and motivation to drive millennial toward tourism attraction. 3. A model of empowering tourism actors and development local organization-based millennial tourism of to increase village economic development. This research was completed for 6 months in village of Gambri and for the collection of research data, and the location was chosen to represent tourist actor as well as local wisdom and millennials in the area. This area is an example of millennial tourism based on local wisdom. Research uses qualitative methods which tourism study approach and study with the three Hita Karana theory, motivation theory, and leadership theory. Data were collected and analysis by means of participant of observation, interview, and result of the research in can be present that local genius has scored 3.6, which show that the terms of tourism attraction from the point of view of local genius in Gambri Village need to be considered and built properly. The destination has scored 3.4, meaning tourism attraction from tourism point of view in Gambri Village need to get attention to be managed properly. The productivity in tourism project object has scored 2.6, which means that the facilities and infrastructure of management to support tourism active in the village Gambri need to be improved, and better built marketing has scored 2.9. We meets the product, people, process, and physical evidence need to be improved and managed better in order to meet tourism standards. Millennial interaction has a score of 3.8, which means better in order village of Gambri and choice of millennials to be able to travel needs to be maintained with support by beautiful, not beautiful, and equipment with TV attraction. To be able to grow to village area gardens in the village are in addition to Bali Raptor Resort attraction and Ustal restaurant and panoramic view of rice fields, forest, and the echo of wave that can be heard from the test attraction. As suggestion for research, namely the management of village tourism, Village Gambri pay more attention and improvement infrastructure, facilities, and infrastructure management of tourism product. Tourism management process provided training to human resource in Gambri village, as well create concrete evidence that make tourism choice to meet their needs to deserves. Tourism need to be considered carefully so tourism in Gambri village can run sustainable. 5.2 Suggestion. In order for the management of tourism village of Gangri village to pay more attention to infrastructure, facility, and infrastructure management of tourism product, the process of management tourism so that management process can run continuously. Provide training to human resource in village of Gambri in order to have competence in tourism in serving every guest who comes to tourist attraction. In terms of marketing, namely product, people, process, and physical evidence, it requires more serious attention and focus to be managed better in order to meet the target market segment. As clear evidence, the choice millennial tourism to meet their needs and desires can be considered properly so that tourism in Gambri village can run sustainable. Okay, thank you.